straight line down.
Nice and tall, that's number 1.
Number 2. Curve around, go straight across. Down the slope, that's number 2. Number 3. Half a circle, one more again. 2 round bumps, that's number 3. Number 4.
A straight line down, across we go.
One more down, that's number 4. Number 5. Across the top, go straight down.
Make a curve, that's number 5.
Number 6. Make a curve, join it round. Circle back, that's number 6. Number 7.
Across the top, slant it down. Sharp and quick, that's number 7.
Number 8. Make a circle, one more 2. Join them up, that's number 8. Number 9.
Make a circle, straight line down. Looking fine, that's number 9.
Number 10. A straight line tall.